positive hit on the front left tire. Westbound Central, traffic is light. 30 miles per hour, approaching Louisiana.
746 is pit authorized, so if I can get up there, I'm going to do it.
Frank for 11 is pit certified as well.
Sam 36 PD, I'm authorizing 4 vehicles for a state felony stop on this vehicle.
Hey, let me get around you so I'm set up for a pit.
Alright, go ahead, I'll still call it out. Westbound Central through Florida. Driving in the ART bus lane, going about 60 miles per hour.
36, we have 4 vehicles, all other units, make sure you...
Shots fired, subject shooting from the vehicle, subject shooting from the vehicle.
40 miles per hour, traffic is fairly light.
John, you are authorized to pit.
I can't tell if it's gunshots, some popping is coming from the vehicle. I don't know if it's the tires. It is still continuing westbound Central through San Mateo. About 60 miles per hour. Traffic is light.
It is gunfire. I saw the gun out the window.
Alright, 10-4 on the gunshots. I've heard at least 2 or 3 gunshots. We are continuing westbound Central through Quincy.
Advise all airs duty lieutenants 10-4.
Any tactical units on, let's try to raise them. Westbound Central through Washington.
755 is en route from San Mateo Central.
Sarge, if you can get up here, I don't think I could pit him with this car. I think it's going to outweigh me.
Yeah, since he's got a firearm, we're not going to do the pit on him when he's shooting fire rounds.
Alright, continuing westbound Central, we are going to be approaching Carlisle, 65 miles per hour. Traffic is still fairly light. Nearly 45 down, but we are through the intersection, still continuing westbound. Westbound Central through Wellesley now has gone on the wrong side of the road, 50 miles per hour. In the wrong lanes of traffic, still continuing westbound through Richmond, approaching Girard now. Let's raise Valley and let's raise all airs on this, please.
All airs 10-4.
10-4 on that. Westbound Central through Girard now. He is still in the wrong lanes of traffic, about 50 miles per hour.
See if Valley can get spiked at the freeway.
Still wrong lanes of traffic. Westbound Central approaching Stanford. He's coming into some oncoming traffic and is slowing down a little bit. Okay, southbound Stanford, southbound Stanford. We're southbound Stanford, about 40 miles per hour. We're approaching Silver. Through Silver, continuing south.
Let me up. I'm going to try it with the Tahoe.
On that, southbound through Lead. Looks like successful.
Car.
Alright, shots were fired. Vehicle is still continuing to flee eastbound Coal from Stanford. Now southbound Columbia from Coal. So let's put the sergeant back up there for another pit. Units behind us. Let's get rifles ready, please. Southbound Columbia at Garfield now. Picking up the pit.
He's coming!
Westbound Garfield.
Alright, yep, gonna be westbound Garfield. Let's pit it out for a second. Continues on. Frank 53, car 1. He's approaching Yale now. He's gonna be going northbound. Northbound Yale. Hey, vehicle in front of me, I'll take reading.
Hey guys, let me get by you for a pit.
Alright, he's coming up to lead now. Looks like he's slowing down. 10-460, Columbia and Garfield are pitted in a second.
Albuquerque Police, stop! Stop or you're gonna get shot! Don't move! Don't move! Let me see your hand! Put your hands out! Hands up at your sides! Hands up at your sides! Got your gun! Got your gun!
Everyone okay?
Yeah, I'm clear. I'm good. Good.
Frank 260, we need 4355 to the Smith.
Hey,
Yale, shots are fired. Subject shot multiple times.
Thanks, brother.
Subject shot multiple times, 10-443.
You got guns still?
Yeah, I got a chest seal. Anybody got gloves?
Huh?
Is there 2 or 3?
To what?
How many people were in there?
2. Female.
Okay, we have her in custody.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Everybody okay?
34s are 10-4. One subject down.
I'm turning my camera off.